What's going on, YouTube? This is Mama Lon OBS back at it again with another video. This time something new for the truck. I got some Glowshift gauges I bought online. Quick update on the OBS. So basically what's going on is the motor on the OBS, somehow the motor went out. It has a rod knock. I was going to swap it, but I was gonna swap it, but instead I'm gonna go on a different route, and I'm gonna continue with the 5.7 350 small block. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to install this until I get that engine repaired or replaced. But when I do, I will be making a install video on these gauges. I heard these gauges are okay, you know. I heard they're good, whatever. So that's about it. I wanted to make a quick update with you guys before I go ahead and I start unboxing this. But yeah, bro, I mean, other than that, you know, sorry again, you know, sorry for not posting up lately. You know, there isn't much I could do with the truck because of the engine. But let's go ahead and let's start unboxing this. But yeah, guys, I just came back from work too and everything. So, oh wow, okay. So I spent like 200. Let me see the receipts right here. Okay, I don't say the price. Alright. Well, I spent about, maybe it was like $222 because they had like a whole deal going on right now. Well, I spent like around that price. So did it get, oh, okay, it's already opened. Don't know why. Oh, okay, that was weird. Oh, no, see, there's my room. Okay, that was weird. Okay, so this is what I got. Black 7 Color Series Glowshift. That's how it looks. You can change the colors. Now they don't have a picture of it, okay. But they do have three different types of like of the lens. They have the black one. They have the one I got with the black face, or they have a white face, and they have a tinted black. I had ordered the tinted black on accident, so I had emailed them and told them what's up. I told them, you know what? I was like this, like, hey, you know what? You guys gotta fix my order ASAP. I have a freaking Mama Lona account. The Mama Lona can't be freaking out here. I have a Mama Lona account, you know, and I made a mistake. You know, I got the tinted black. You know, the Mama Lona got tint, so I'm not gonna be able to see if anything. So you guys gotta change that. They're like, oh shit, you know, Spencer, and they went ahead and they swapped that out for me. So this is the power cables. This is the power cables right here. So real quick, you guys, let's just put all this shit to the side. Just get everything out, and then I'll go ahead and unbox everything for you guys. Whoa, another one was open too. What the hell's going on? I'm gonna tell you guys what this is for in a moment. What, 10% off next time? Alright. Stickers, bro. You always need the stickers. Okay. Okay, so let me tell you what this is for. The oil filter sandwich adapter. This is right here. Oh, I don't know how this goes yet, but like I said, I will be making a video on how to install all of this. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is the, if it could focus. There you go. This is the oil pressure gauge. Oh, this is gonna be kind of hard to focus. Okay. This is the oil pressure gauge. So I got 3 gauges. I got the oil pressure, water temperature, and I got the fuel level. So basically, the gauges that are shown on the cluster are the ones I got. Let's finish opening this. Fuck it. How the fuck you open this shit? I'm trying to break the box on my either. Oh, okay, yeah. Just pull that shit out hard. Oh, sick. It came with a little sun visor. This gauge. Pretty straightforward. Just pop it out. You know what I mean? Just. Oh fuck! Boy, took this shit out. Oh, okay. There you go. See? Pretty straightforward. Just pop it back in like that. Little visor, pretty cool. But yeah. So it came with the visor. So it comes with the visor. Which is this one, bro? Oil pressure. Okay. Came with this cable. This is okay. This one might go. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. This is just a quick unboxing video. Whoa, it has all the instructions. Look, more cables. For PSI. More cables. See, oil pressure sensor is what this is called. So for the oil pressure. For 88 to 94, I believe. It's 88 to 94 single cabs, not single cabs, but like Silverados with the 350 engine. If you was to go on Glowshift, this is what, and you order it, this is what they're gonna give you. They're gonna give you the screws, the cables, another cable. For the oil pressure. Damn, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty sick. Pretty cool. Okay, let's put this shit back. But yeah, the reason why I'm making this YouTube video is because I had the reason why I went with these gauges is because on my cluster, the ones on my cluster in my truck, the gauges, they're, you know, it's an old truck, you know, so the gauges work. I just feel like maybe they're inaccurate, so I don't know. This should help. This should help out a lot. But I seen this one YouTuber who I watch, and he was showing his truck, and then I seen these gauges, and I had commented on his video, hey, like, you know, like, what are these gauges for? And he pretty much explained to me what they were, and, you know, pretty straightforward, easy to hook up. But I'm gonna try to make this quick, you know. This is an unboxing video, not a freaking let's talk about your daily videos. Which one's this one? Okay, this one was the oil pressure. This is the water temperature right here. See? Shit, right? Gotta pull this shit out hard, I guess. There you go. I'm not gonna take out the gauges. All the gauges are the same as the oil pressure. It's just the face is different. You know what I mean? Like, not the face, but like just what the actual gauge is for. Okay, so from the looks of it, they all come with sun visors. Okay, so oh look, this one also comes with the sensor. I guess a sensor. And more cables. Great, more cables. So inside they have the manuals, the instructions. So let's put this shit back. We'll just put it to the side. Change this one. This is the fuel level. This one. This is the one I wanted to see because no one on freaking YouTube showed this one. So basically, guys, the reason why I'm making this video is because no one on YouTube has made a video like this for these types of trucks. I have a 93 Silverado. And the video that I had watched from the guy, he wasn't explaining about the gauges or nothing. He was just making a video about his truck, about the engine, I think. And I seen those gauges and he went out of his way to answer my question. Okay, so this is gonna be pretty. Oh wow, okay, so for the fuel level, it's just a cable. So this one, it's just, I don't know where the fuck you connect these shits at. I don't know, guys. Like I said, we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out when the time comes. So for the meantime, yes, these are gonna just be sitting around. So real quick, let me tell you guys about this. This is optional. The oil filter adapter is this is optional. When I was asking the guy the questions, he told me that he bought this. He bought this that makes everything easier. And for the power adapters, not adapters, but like the power, the basically the power cables, they're optional as well. They offer two of them. They offer power and sensor and just power. I also bought something else, but I bought this on Amazon because, man, I wasn't gonna pay no freaking $8 for just one. Hold on, you guys, I have it here. Hold on. Alright, cool. I forgot what these are called, but you are gonna need these. If you want, I will link everything down in the description below. So the Glowshift, they have these optional as well. Those two pieces right here. My bad, my camera died, so I had to charge it. Anyways, like I was saying, so this is the power fuse, whatever it's called. I forgot what it's called. But basically, Glowshift, they have one. No, they have one for $8.99, or you could get two of them for like $11. And I was like, bro, I remember I seen this on Amazon. It was like 10 of them for like around the same price. I got mine for $9, I believe, $9 or $10. I got 10 of them. You know, I'm gonna just have these laying around. You never know, you might need them. Got that. Now this is the pillar pod. This is gonna go in la mamalona cup. Wow, this is the first time holding one, you guys. This feels cheap as fuck, no cap. Look, brakes on camera. Cheap. Feels like, how can I explain this? This feels like the old pools they had the small little round plastic ones, like the ones they had like in El Super. Like they had I'm pretty sure if people, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so it came with, so basically okay, I forgot to mention this in the video as well. I bought the kit. So the kit comes with the gauges of your choice. Some kits you do have to pay extra for, like I seen the boost one, that one was extra. The fuel pressure, that one was extra as well. But they give you the pod for free, and they also give you these screws. So these screws right here, basically you just drill a hole. You drill a hole into the, oh, whoa, focus. All right, basically you drill a hole into the pillar pod and to the plastic of the side you're gonna put the gauges on. Drill a hole. These are plastic, so you don't gotta worry about like, oh, like I gotta drill, oh, I'm gonna cut, whatever the fuck. This is cool. Make sure you don't lose them, guys. But yeah, so far that was it. Like I said, this was probably the longest how-to video. Not how-to, my bad. This was probably the longest unboxing video I ever made. But I will link everything down in the description below for you guys to go ahead and order it yourself. And for the people who are subscribed, you know, please, you know, thank you for all the subscribers I have. I don't care if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, you know. If you guys subscribe to the channel, you guys the homies, you know. You know, other than that, I mean, we all Gucci. Make sure y'all stay safe during this whole freaking coronavirus bullshit that's going on. Make sure you guys take care of your mamalonas. You know, pónganse a trabajar, vales. You gotta make that bread to keep the mamalona up and running. But other than that, this was just a quick unboxing video on what's next to expect on the mamalona. Can't wait to have these installed with you guys for I could show you know, step by step. But other than that, this was Mamalona BS. Stay blessed, be happy, peace out.
Y en una 454 por San Luis, Río Colorado, seguido me ven llegar. Cuando hay chance en el trabajo para tirar el relajo, en la morada me gusta andar, quemando llanta como es mi estilo.